OTTOCAST recently sent me out their wireless CarPlay adapter. Today, we're going to be putting this in my Ford Explorer. This is a 2022 that normally only has wired CarPlay, but this is going to let us connect wirelessly so that we don't have to mess with any cables. All right, so in the box, it's pretty straightforward. We just get this USB-C adapter. So it goes from C to A here on the back. And that's just in case your car only has USB-Cs, because the actual CarPlay adapter here has a USB-A. So here's a closer look at the CarPlay adapter. It's super simple. It's literally just a little USB that's smaller than a flash drive. All right, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to set this up. So normally I would have to do the wire for CarPlay, but we're gonna be able to just plug this straight in. So it should look something just like that, and you could see the light that's letting us know it's working. So now up here on the screen, we're just gonna press continue. We're gonna press agree, and now we just have to go find this device on our phone. All right, so we could see it right down there. Now it showed us a code. We're just gonna click pair. Now we're gonna click allow. And just like that, we get this icon here, so we could press connect. And just like that, our Apple CarPlay is already working. So I could go ahead and press that. So I could see my navigation, my music, phone calls, and everything is still just as responsive. So next up, let's see how fast this will pair to my phone whenever we get in the car. All right, so for this test, we're gonna turn on the car. I'm gonna make sure my Bluetooth is on right here, and we're gonna see how fast it connects. So I'm gonna do no cuts here, and I can already see the CarPlay menu there. So now it's gonna connect to my phone, and boom, we are good to go already with our navigation, music, or phone calls. So overall, these little CarPlay adapters are super helpful. And if you guys don't want to mess with wires anymore in your car, I would definitely suggest looking into one of these. They're easy to use and there's not a lot of setup for them. And anyways, that's it for my really quick review and install.